Have you always wondered what goes on inside the largest trade show in the kitchen and bath industry? Today we're going to take you on a private tour of the Cambria booth. My name is Heather, I am the Cambria spokesperson, and joining us for the tour today is Summer Kath, who's head of design. Summer, 20th KBIS. This is a big year for us.
It's a big deal, and we're so excited to be showcasing fresh, new designs. There's some surprises, so stick around.
Let's go behind us and start with a customer requested bring back in a design.
That's right. We bring designs back, and this is Golden Dragon right behind us, featured on the reception desks. And it also showcases this amazing fabrication detail, which we call thermoforming. And this is where we actually bend stone.
So you curve the entire piece of stone. It is majestic. I mean, this is such a warm welcome to the booth.
It is. It's beautiful, and it's just the beginning.
Okay, I can't wait to see what's next. Let's head into the kitchen.
Let's go.
We're in the heart of the home right now, the kitchen, and Summer, there is so much happening. Where do we start?
Well, let's really start with the trends of the homes are warming up. Not only natural cabinets, here you'll see we've showcased a darker stained oak and a tambour, but also the countertops are warming up, and that really was purposeful in this design, which we are launching here at this show, Annaleigh. It has the beautiful taupes, it has the gray, and it has so much depth and dimension.
When I'm looking at this design, it almost feels like some of the movement is floating. Is there something else new?
Yes, there's a new finish we're announcing here at the show, and it's called Luxe. It's almost like a mirror. It's so brilliant. It has so much reflectivity to it, and that's what gives it the depth, like the veins are melting into the design.
It is glossy. I mean, you come in and it is reflective and brilliant and bright. Does it perform the same as a traditional polish?
Absolutely. So Cambria would not launch any design or a finish that didn't have all the performance benefits that Cambria always offered. So same with this finish, same with this design.
When I look over my shoulder, I see a brilliant use of storage and some cladding. Can you walk me through what's happening on the back wall?
Yeah, I love the back wall, and we still want to celebrate mixing and matching and complementing Cambria designs. So we brought in Annaleigh on the backsplash, which you'll see are actually movable doors. That's the other thing that's a huge trend, is organization in the kitchen, but hiding it with a sliding piece of Cambria.
Now, is it a different finish back there?
That's right. So we wanted to showcase what is the difference between this brilliant luxe and our regular polish. So the backsplash is the regular polished Cambria, and below it brought in another complementary Cambria design, which is still on trend, our minky chocolate Charlestown.
Gorgeous, absolutely breathtaking. High performance, low maintenance. It's a perfect kitchen. One of the most anticipated areas of the booth is always the new designs. Summer, what do we have?
Here's where you're going to come to see the fresh 6 designs that we are showcasing here. Now, 3 of these designs will be launching shortly. That's Montage, Annaleigh, and Macbeth.
And what am I looking at behind us? Is that the Montage?
This is the Montage, and we're actually showing it in that new satin finish just to get a little feedback, and I think the feedback's been pretty good so far.
At Cambria, we're not only innovators in design, but we're also innovators in the technology space to stay connected with our business partners. Summer, tell me about this new innovation.
It's called Counters by Cambria, and really what we're doing is making it really easy for our designers to access fabricators and to get their projects done.
So it's going to be about fast, accurate estimates?
That's right. So designers need estimates to move their projects forward. They need to get connected to fabricators, and we're going to do that all through this website and our technology.
We love that Cambria is always service first. We know that everybody wants to be the center of attention in the Cambria booth, so when you choose the center, it's a big deal. What are we doing with the King's tables this year?
So we have 2 main features, and this is where everybody gathers, has conversations, and of course, we want to showcase amazing Cambria designs. So behind me is our beautiful Inverness Everleigh, which is a fabulous design. And then right in front of us is a fresh new design by Cambria, launching here today, called Montage. Montage really features the movement of getting into warmer kitchens, warmer homes. It has that taupey, layered feel, but still some cool whites and a little bit of a gold.
It feels like this is in motion. I cannot wait for everybody's reaction to this.
Yeah, same here. It's exciting.
I know a lot of us think Cambria and countertops together, but there's a lot of alternate ways that people are using Cambria. Summer, tell me about this gorgeous fireplace behind us.
Yeah, so this is a place where you can really get artistic with Cambria. We paired two rich, moody Cambria designs, Delamere with Blackpool matte, so you've got the polished and the matte kind of juxtaposed next to each other.
It's majestic, it's bold, the mitering is spot on, it's absolutely breathtaking. Expand on that a little bit more.
We have almost the fireplace is set back into the whole structure at different angles, and then we've got some slatting on the top in that Blackpool matte.
It feels warm, it's very inviting. Everybody has been drawn to this fireplace, and we can't wait to hear what you think of it. Summer, it's been exciting to watch what's happening in primary en-suites right now. Let's go to the room behind us and break it down and show me all the details. I want to start at the shower because the first thing I notice is I will not have to maintain it. There's no grout.
So using Cambria in a full slab in a shower helps with easy maintenance, and we're showcasing our new Inverness Everleigh Warm, which is a takeoff of our iconic Inverness Everleigh.
The way that the movement almost feels like running water. Did you create the entire seating space out of Cambria?
Yeah, that's right. So in this situation, we've not only taken it from the wall to the flooring into tile, and also the partition and the bench.
I want to go all the way behind us because looking at the sink, the scallop detail, what design do we have back there?
That beautiful sink back there is made from the Macbeth, so you can create a sink from our product, and the whole cladding of the whole vanity is all Cambria. So again, so easy to maintain.
When we're standing in here, there's a real juxtapost of warmth and cool happening. Do you want to break that down?
Yeah, so the Inverness Everleigh Warm is really our take on warming up the surfaces. But there is a cooler white in the Inverness, so we can tie it into the Macbeth, which is a cool white. We're just trying to really mix them and complement each other.
Everything about this space feels warm and inviting and tranquil. It's the perfect space to relax in.
It really is, and I think that's what homeowners and designers really want to bring today to live in. It's very livable.
Summer, the booth this year has been extraordinary, but I have to say I think we've saved the best for last. What is happening behind us?
This wall was really inspired by waves of water, almost a waterfall, and it looks like it's moving, and we were able to showcase our unique detail and fabrication.
What design are we showing?
Yeah, this is Rose Bay. So Rose Bay is that high contrast, black and white.
It is spectacular. And you know what? It's been so fun bringing you into the booth this year at 2024 Kitchen and Bath Industry Show. We hope that you've enjoyed this tour. Summer, I'm already looking forward to next year.
I can't wait for next year. I'm already thinking about new ideas.